on now. Ah. Did you just do that by yourself?
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is my brand new used M135i, and I am about to take it out on my first proper drive. Yes, today I'm taking it on a 200-mile round trip, and obviously that way I'm gonna get to know the car properly. Hopefully I don't get into trouble because this car is rapid, El Rapido. But look at it, guys. Oh my God, ain't it beautiful? I'm gonna take it to my sister's, and she is into cars, but not really. She's like half into cars. I know for a fact that she will not like it because it's a 1 Series. I don't think she knows like the specs and things of that nature. She will just see it and see a 1 Series and be like, oh, you just bought a 1 Series. I haven't told her what it is. She don't even know the color. She doesn't know anything. I just told her I bought a new car. So we're gonna go see her first and reaction. Hopefully I can give her a drive as well and see what she says. Let's go. I have just arrived and I thought I will say something before I get my sister out. She doesn't even know I've arrived yet. I've gone around the corner somewhere. But, oh my God, this car is a weapon. What? What? Nah, it's a weapon. It's a weapon. It just goes and goes and goes and goes. I'm behaving myself, although I'm behaving myself. I'm trying my best to behave myself, but as soon as you put the pedal down, whoo, it's gone. And the one thing I like is I think the previous owner disabled the fake noises, so I've not been hearing it. The first car I test drove had all the fake noises, and that is not in this one. Another observation I've had so far is that I am not scared of junctions anymore because the bonnet is not as long as the Z4 bonnet, so I can actually see at the junctions before I merge onto the road. Beautiful stuff. The other thing was the ride height. Yeah, I can see through people's windscreen as well now. I guess safety-wise, it's top tier. Safety, fun. Oh, it's so much fun. It's a whole lot of fun. Anyway, stop waffling. Let's get to business.
Oh, is this?
She knew straight away. Straight away, she knew.
Nice color.
This is it. Thoughts?
Oh wow. I like the color. Why is the wing?
So that people will know that it's not regular schmegula. See, Inspector General.
Thank God. We're not selfish anymore. Finally, we've grown up a little bit. Hallelujah. So now I don't have to be, saying, "Oh, let's use my car instead." Like, yeah, we can use your car. We can use your car. We can use your car. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Let's see what the interior. Oh! I see that. 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 Ooh, it's low though. You drove like this?
Yeah.
Why is it so low? I can't see anything.
It's higher than the Z4.
Well, true. True. Everything is black.
Black, all the way black.
Oh, I like that. It's tinted, so it's not like bright. It's nice and cool. And okay, let's see what do we have here. What do we have here? There's a little thingy.
Wireless CarPlay, the whole lot, full shebang.
But it's still giving me BMW vibes though. Like it's still giving me that BMW vibe where I just feel like I don't feel like I'm still. I don't know. There's still something about BMW that's just not like doing it for me. Like
this is not the latest BMW interior. This is the pre-latest.
Did you just do that by yourself?
Oh yeah, she heard the.
That just happened by itself.
Yep. She didn't even say, "Can I drive it?"
Please.
She's just driving.
I'm driving this thing. I'm taking it out.
Wait, let me put my seatbelt on. Look at that Revuelto right there.
Beautiful car.
Oh, nice.
Rev it for us.
First time seeing a Revuelto, yo.
And then speed up.
There you go. Yeah, now you feel it, no? I felt it in my stomach. Woo! Right there. Ṣé ẹ tẹ̀tán? Ẹ tẹ̀tán. Ẹ tẹ̀tán.
Go on,
At all.
100 nah.
You suppose my money get 10 year. Foot to the pedal, to the floor.
Okay.
Go get the kekere 60%. No. 100%.
Okay. We'll see what that looks like.
You gotta send it. What's the whole point of pressing the thing? You got to go all the way to the ground.
Like that. Are you kidding
No.
me?
You will
What?
press it. Then you hammer it. There you go. Auto.
Oh, wow.
Now you see what I'm talking about.
What did you say?
Yeah.
I lost him. The guy be like, what? I lost him completely. What do you mean?
I think she likes it.
We're not playing.
I think she likes it.
We're not playing.
See this woman, she has reverse camera. She has reverse camera in her car, but she's still OG, gangster. Just the way I like it. She's just using the thing as it is. Hell yeah.
So where is the dangerous one then? Are we there yet? We're there.
Don't come and scratch my car. Don't scratch my car. I've not scratched it yet myself. Press the P.
No. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? So you just press it?
Yep. It will tell you on the thing it's steering activated. Man's living good out here.
Are you serious?
This person that bought this car brand new, either it was a showroom car or somebody
Like,
had too much
spec'd
money.
it all out. I can feel it already.
Everything. Like, the only thing it doesn't have is the aero pack.
Yeah?
Which is like the bigger wing on the back and the front lips.
I still don't get it. What?
You know, like the wing on the car now, like spoiler.
Oh, that.
Yeah, like the side skirts, like performance stuff.
What? Can I have a heated steering wheel, please?
Yeah, it's a shame winter is almost finished.
You can even warm your face. What the heck, man? I need it. This is. See, you don't realize what you're missing until you see it somewhere else.
Yeah.
I need this.
Now she has to trade in a CLA.
Yeah. But not for a BM though. It's still gonna be a Mercedes. But with the steering.
We've lost her.
Yeah, you lost.
We've lost her.
Very fast.
Fastest you've ever driven?
Makes a lot of noise. Yeah, definitely faster than mine, for sure. And see, when you're going fast, round bend, especially, you gotta be careful because otherwise you just lose control. But it's really fast. The steering's a bit stiff for me. Like, I don't like it. It's not soft enough. So I need that to be a little bit softer. I don't want to be building muscle while I'm driving now. What is this?
Precision driving. Is what it is.
I don't like it. But other than that, and this, it takes some getting used to because I'm like, which way is reverse and which way is drive, which way is yeah, that would take some time to get used to.
Cool.
But it's not my car, it's okay.
Yeah, don't worry. We don't use indicator to drive.
Yeah, I know. Well, what are you trying to say?
You put the wiper blade. Changing gears with the wiper blade. That's where
I was like,
Yeah, do this. Do you know how many times you turn the wiper on?
I swear.
Many times.
I swear.
Yeah.
So, but it's okay though. It's good.
Dude.
Sound system is really good. Yeah, sound system is really good.
Yeah.
No, sound system
I'm a
good.
Cardon.
Yeah.
I'm an Encardo. Yeah. Bumping.
Well, ultimately, good car though.
No, nice. Thank you.
Yeah, good car.